Assalamu alaikum viewers, good morning and welcome back to SK Dreams. Today is day 4 of our incredible Alaska and Yukon adventure. Yesterday we visited the beautiful capital city of Juneau, and right now it's 6 o'clock in the morning and our ship has now arrived at the port of Skagway, Alaska. Now, Skagway is a pretty small town with only about 1,000 permanent residents, but every summer it welcomes hundreds of thousands of cruise passengers from around the world. So let's begin today's exciting journey, and by the end of this video you will discover why this tiny Alaskan town became the gateway to the world's greatest gold rush, and see why nearly 1 million cruise passengers visit Skagway every year. तो इस वक्त हम स्कैगवे पहुंच चुके हैं। मुझे उम्मीद है कि हम सारा एंजॉय करेंगे और इट विल बी अ प्लेजेंट डे। स्कैगवे पहुंच चुके हैं और अभी हम स्कैगवे का डाउनटाउन एक्सप्लोर करेंगे और यहाँ से फिर हम ट्रेन में बैठकर फ्रेजर जाएंगे और फ्रेजर पे फिर हम यूकॉन करेंगे। तो वहाँ से फिर आगे स्टेप हमारा जो है वो वाइट हाउस है, तो इंशाल्लाह वाइट हाउस को भी एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। चलें एंजॉय करते हैं। This beautiful deep water port of Skagway has welcomed ships for more than a century and continues to be an important gateway for exploring the deep wilderness of Alaska and Yukon. So today the plan is that we will spend most of our time exploring the port and downtown of Skagway. Today, as you can see, several cruise ships are docked in Skagway, and the visitors from around the world are exploring the town, shopping souvenirs, and joining excursions. The town may be quite small, but during the cruise season, it becomes full of energy and excitement. Despite such a huge crowd of visitors, Skagway still manages to preserve its historic character and relaxed atmosphere. Skagway became world famous during the Klondike Gold Rush of 1897 till 1898. After gold was discovered in Canada's Yukon territory, particularly near Dawson City, thousands of hopeful prospectors arrived in Skagway by ship before beginning their difficult trek over the mountains to Dawson City, which was the heart of the gold rush at that time. Now, since the fortune seekers from across North America started their challenging journey from Skagway, therefore, this town is known as the gateway to the Klondike. Just to let you know that Klondike is the famous gold mining region in Yukon territory, with Dawson City serving as the principal town.
My name is Rashid Jackstonik.
Okay, and you?
My name is Tyson Kimoyo.
And where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Kenya.
Kenya, Nairobi.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice, very nice.
Yeah.
So, how are you enjoying the trip so far?
Yeah,
It's good?
yeah, I'll say it's okay.
Nice. Enjoy your trip, huh? Thank you.
Thank you.
So, as we explore downtown, you will notice wooden sidewalks, colorful historic buildings, and vintage storefronts that preserve Skagway's old town charm. Today, these buildings house cafes, museums, art galleries, and souvenir shops. Walking through these streets, it's easy to imagine the thousands of fortune seekers who passed through here over a century ago. The town is clean, peaceful, and perfect for exploring on foot. One of the reasons Skagway is so special is that nearly every building has a story. During the gold rush, these hotels, saloons, general stores, and government offices played a vital role in the lives of thousands of prospectors. The most astonishing part is that there were no roads or modern transportation at that time. And now, the interesting part is that for anyone who wanted to enter Canada and continue to Dawson City, the Canadian authorities required every person to carry nearly 1 ton of supplies, enough to survive for a full year. Since everything had to be carried over steep mountain passes, many people made dozens of exhausting trips back and forth before they could continue their onward journey to Dawson City.
Okay, that's great. Thank you. So tired, you know. Work hard.
The story behind him is right here on this board. It's very interesting.
I know, but it seems like the dog is also upset.
Yes.
Maybe he traveled a lot. So anyway, some people have dreams, and they go for it. So that's good. Beautiful. Viewers, besides having an exciting history of Skagway, this town is also surrounded by extraordinary natural beauty, snow-capped mountains, waterfalls, and forests, which make every walk unforgettable. वीवर्स, आज हमारे क्रूज़ ट्रिप का चौथा दिन है और इस वक्त हम स्केगवे पे हैं और स्केगवे से हम आज अपना क्रूज़ छोड़ देंगे और हमारा लैंड का जो पोर्शन है ट्रिप का वो शुरू हो जाएगा. Viewers, our visit to Skagway has been an unforgettable combination of history, culture, and breathtaking scenery. But our Alaska and Yukon adventure is far from over. Now, after exploring Skagway, we are back to the cruise, and in the next episode, we will disembark and leave the cruise behind to begin our spectacular land journey into Canada's Yukon territory by a historic train and luxury coach. So just stay tuned for the upcoming episode, and if you enjoyed today's tour, please like, share, and subscribe to SK Dreams, and don't forget to press the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz, and see you in the next adventure.
Stare up there and you think maybe it's snow, but you're not sure, but then you start seeing them move around